I'm doing a little bit of troubleshooting. My air conditioner vents are not coming on right here, or on the sides right here. So I'm blowing cold air. So I found out what the problem was. Okay, if you look down here, what you'll see, what you see or not, my compressor is constantly working. It's not stopping and going on and off like it should be. So I'm going to tell you what the problem is. I'm going to zoom back out. Sorry about that. Okay, you come over here. Look real hard. See right there? My little tube right here. Right there is broken off from this one right here. So that's why it's acting the way it is right here. So this car is old. That hose is probably dry rotted. So I need to change that hose. Okay. It's not my air vent AC heat actuator. That's not what the problem is. This is what the problem is right here. Something simple right here. So I just need to fix that. Just turned off my engine, but I was going to show this to you again. Okay, this hose right here connects right here. That's part of your AC circulation system. And this little hose right here is broken off. It just needs to be reconnected right there. So I'm going to try to connect it and see if everything's going to operate normal like it should. These hoses get old and they break. This is what it looks like right here on this end. I thought I could just stick that back up in there, and I might have to change the whole hose. I'm not really sure, but I'll keep working with it. I might pull this off right here and somehow connect it, or either pull this down far enough. But either way, I gotta figure out how to fix it. Okay, I went ahead and pulled this side off right here. It goes right here. See this end right here. This is the end that's broken. I'm working on it right there. Try to get it fixed. Okay, I was able to get this loose on one end right here, like that. So I'm gonna have to eventually get something and push the rest of that that's broken out. I can possibly put that over that, or either I can use this hose. This guy at AutoZone gave this to me. That's the smallest that he had. It's just about as close as this one as you can get it. Actually, it's a little bigger. So try to use that. If not, if I can't find anything any smaller than that, it needs to actually be the exact same size for it to work. But anyway, I'm gonna try to keep working with it and see if I can get it repaired. Okay, I got this piece coming out right here. I use this thing right here to kind of wedge it out, and it's coming out. So I'm gonna keep working with it, and eventually it'll probably pop out, and I can go ahead and put it back on there. Okay, I got it out. So I'm gonna try to see if I can reuse it. Just pop that right here. This is the broken part right here. So put it down here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull this out, and hopefully I can connect the two. So if not, I'm gonna try to get a longer piece. Okay, I think I got it fixed now. I got the little piece that broke off in there. got it out, and I got this connected. So this little hose is right here, really fragile. I believe that this other end will slide right on, and this I believe it is long enough. Yeah, it should be long enough, and this slides right up in that hole right there. So I just have to get this one connected to that one, and this other end should slide right up in there. So I'm gonna put the camera down, and I'll show you that before I put the camera down. Then I'm going to attach the two hoses. Okay, I got it connected, and like I'm saying, this car is over 20 years old, so it's a lot of these fragile hoses on this car. So got to be careful with these little hoses like that. So I got this connected up here like it should be, and I guess I try to push it out of the way because I don't know what caused it to do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and start up the car and see if the air conditioner is functioning like it should be. Okay, that fixed it. That simple hose is what the problem is. My air conditioner is blowing cold air again. Okay, I'm going ahead to check on my compressor to make sure I can tell it's working, because I can feel it clicking. Seemed like I heard it out there, but I'm going to go ahead and look at it again and just double check. It's on there, so that's what it is, and it's fixed. That simple little hose. Okay, I just want to add this. This is the hose that I went and purchased. It's the exact same size hole that I used to fix the vacuum line. This is a piece of the hose that broke right here. See if I can pull it out. Well, it's okay. The hose that is this piece right here is the part that connected the two hoses together. So that's what I needed. I had a piece that was long enough, but this is how it fit, just like this right here. But anyway, I'm just wanting to show you this. This is the right size hole, and I got a foot of this right here. I just that right there. I went to O'Reilly's and got this. This is the correct size hole for my vacuum line. It cost me about $1, so I just wanted to show you that right there. That's the place to go and get it if you have a O'Reilly's in your neighborhood. This is the broken hose, and this is the right size hole that I use to repair the vacuum line. So I just want to show that to you real quick. I did get this also. This is plastic. It's about the same size. Let me pull this up and compare the two. Okay, they're about the same size, but I would prefer that you use the rubber hose, not the plastic, because the plastic is not as flexible as the rubber hose. The rubber hose, I was able to get this little piece in right here, went right in, just like that one right there. I tried to put it in this one, and it was a little difficult to get in because it's plastic and it's a little harder. The rubber right here is a little bit more flexible to work with, so I recommend using this. But like I said, I only paid $1 for it, and got at O'Reilly's, and maybe that can help you out if you need a vacuum hose for your car.